Hey, you watching this video. Yes, I mean you. So, are you tired of losing your PayPal account or low rates, low funds from exchangers? Join my master course and you enjoy the benefit of a full-blown PayPal account. You can create foreign international PayPal accounts from different countries and also receive payments into your local bank account. You might think I'm just blah blah blabbing, but this is one of my PayPal accounts, and this PayPal account I've been using it to receive money at the black market rates. I receive money, I send money out. I even receive payment from TikTok. This is a TikTok payment. You can see it very well. This is a TikTok payment. So influencers, you can actually receive payments with this PayPal account. The PayPal account is 100% working. You can send and you can receive. Mind you, if you have a Nigerian PayPal account, you cannot send payment and you cannot receive payment with your Nigerian PayPal account. If you join my master class now, you are going to learn how to create a foreign PayPal account, how to create a working UK PayPal account for yourself. You are going to also learn how to lift PayPal limitations. So if your PayPal has limitation, you have fund inside, this is the best place you are to come. You will learn how to do that. And again, we'll be giving you some bonuses where you learn how to make money off PayPal. You can be making as low as 500k every day with your PayPal accounts. If you're interested, click the link below and join the course.